Hey guys, this is Maria from freesocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use the repeat effect on TikTok. If you're wondering how to make your TikTok videos more engaging and receive more views, then think of applying the repeat effect. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Log into TikTok, click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now record a video or upload the one from your camera roll, so press on the gallery icon on the right. Select the video you would like to post on TikTok. Tap the next button. One more time, hit next. Once the editing page opens, click on the effects icon at the bottom. Go right until you find the time section. Press on it. Now choose the repeat option. As you see, the red overlay appears on your video timeline, so drag it to the part of the video you would like to repeat. After that, hit the save icon in the upper right corner. You can also use filters, add stickers, emojis, write something on your video if you want. Once your video is ready, hit next. Now the only thing left to do is to upload your video. So click on the post button. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use the repeat effect on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freesocial.com.